is looping in shell programming. So what is a loop? A loop is nothing but a iteration. So for example, we have for loop, we have a while loop, and we have until loop. So for loop, we can use it using for loop, the syntax is for space var space for var space in space a list of words, and then do space commands space done. So in that way, what we can do is you simply run the for loop. So for example, for I in 1 2 3 4 5 do space echo $i done. That means it will display the all the 1 to 5 elements one by one. So 1 2 3 4 5 it will be displayed. If I want to compute the sum of the numbers, how can I do that? I can do that either using expr or using bc command or using double braces. So first I will do is for I in range 1 square brackets 1-5 do sum equal to backtick expr $sum plus $i $sum plus backtick close and done. If I say echo $sum in the next line, it will simply give the sum of the 5 numbers in the range 1 to 5. Sum of the in the range 1-5. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 15 will get as the output. 15 will get as the output. That is using expr. The same instead of the middle line, instead of using expr, I can do that using echo sum equal to echo $sum plus $i pipe bc. So give the sum plus $i to the bc. So it will compute the sum and it will return. What is bc command? A bc command is the basic calculator. It will perform simple arithmetic operations like plus, minus, into, and division. Into and division and modulo. Not only that, scaling, base conversion also it can perform. For our purpose, we require only addition of 2 numbers that you can perform using basic command. Clear? So this is about the second way of doing the sum of the numbers. And third way of doing sum of the numbers is simply by using dollar sum equal to dollar in double brackets $sum plus $i. So that means sum of the sum is initially 0 and I is the value of I is the values from the range 1 to 5. So 1 plus 2 0 plus 1, then 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 4 3 plus 3 6, then 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 5 15 gets. So finally echo $sum gives the 15 as the output. So there are 3 ways of doing the sum in the using for. This is our for. Next is while loop. So what is while loop? So while loop is used. So while loop is used. Syntax is while condition is to do a set of command to be executed and done. For example, I want to in a supermarket, I want to maintain in a file the item code and item description. So how I can do it? I will initially give I will take a variable called ans is equal to y, and while square brackets double quotations $ans equal to double quotations y, then what I can do is do. That means loop will start. And I will read the echo, enter the code and description, and I will read echo space read space code space description, and I will write the code and description into a file called new line. So echo space dollar code space dollar description double greater than new file. That means appending each time when I read a code and description, it will append it to a file called new file. After that, what I will do is I will take simply a case. So after that, I will read into echo. Do you want to add any more records? Echo. Do you want to add any more records? So I will read any more. So case dollar any more in. So case dollar any more in. If it is y or y star or small y star or capital Y star. So in that case, what happens is small y star or capital Y star. If you say ans is equal to y. ans equal, otherwise double semicolon. Otherwise, if it is no n star slash capital N star, then ans equal to n and space break double semicolon. Why we are putting break here is because if you don't put break, then in the case of no also it will again take the input. So in order to avoid that one, in order to break the loop, what we will do is for no case we have to put the break after the ans equal to n, and again ES after double semicolon ESAC done. So in that way we can run this program and you will see whether the code and description are adding into the system, adding into the file called new line. So you will see cat space new line new file, then simply it will give the code and description for each of the property which we added. So this is about the while loop. Next is until. So until means until exactly opposite. So until condition is false. So the set of do, until condition is false, do set of commands to be executed and done. So this is syntax. So until I greater than 5. So do echo $i. I have echo do done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will get printed using until. So this is about the looping in the shell programs. Okay. So we have discussed about all the 8 topics in the unit 3. So first topic is command line structure. Second topic is shell meta characters. Third one is creating new commands. Fourth one is command arguments and parameters. Fifth one is program output as arguments. Sixth one is shell variables. Seventh one is more on IO reduction, and eighth one is looping in shell programs. Okay. So with this, unit 3 is completed. Thank you.